So this is just an introduction video to show you how easy it is to get started with code. I mean, it seems like a big daunting thing, but you can just go out there and do it. So, first, I'm just going to create a folder. Let's call this Learn How to Code. And then you want to have Sublime Text. That's my preferred code editor. Drag it in, opens a window. So first, but this is going to be a simple HTML page just to show you how easy it can be. So let's go to View, Syntax, and then let's scroll. Oh, there's HTML. I missed it. So then if you just type in caret HTML, and then HTML tab. So I'll do that again to show you. Sorry. So you do the caret, you type in, you don't even do the caret, just type in HTML, then press tab. Oh, sorry. Caret, HTML, tab. And then it gets you there. So in further videos, I'll explain how this works, but this is just an introduction, as I've said. So in the title is what it will say on the top of the little bar thing when you open it, and that'll make sense a little bit later on. So let's make the title, Yay, I am coding. So in the body is where you can put some text. So let's make a header. So you do the caret h1, you can say, wow, headers are so cool. Then you can do caret and a hack, you just do a backslash and it puts it for you. So now let's make a paragraph. And you can write paragraphs are so fun and simple. Again, caret, backslash, immediately puts in the P. Let's save that. And we want not to save it in my app. It needs to be Learn How to Code. Let's put it in desktop. I guess we can drag it there. Learn.html. So saved. Okay, for some reason didn't go in, but now I'll put it in learn.html. So here's learn.html. Yeah, sorry, that came out weird. Learn.html, and control click, open with, I like to open it with Firefox. So click, open it. See, that's where the title went. Yay, I am coding. Wow, headers are so cool. And paragraphs are so fun and simple. So I hope this taught you that coding can be easy and fun, and it's not so big and complicated. And I hope to see you in the next video.